What's going on, everybody? It's Connor from here at Snow Performance, and we're going to start out by setting aside some of our differences, whether that be political views, Chevy, Dodge, or Ford preferences, 1/8 mile and 1/4 mile times, and we're going to agree on one thing. Besides the original small block Ford, the Coyote engine is one bad that Henry Ford himself sent down from the heavens above. With this title means high fuel demands, and we here at Snow Performance decided to meet the ever-changing fuel demands of the great almighty Coyote. Our initial design for the 2011 end-up Coyote fuel hats started by getting rid of the factory returnless style system and went with a much more efficient return style fuel supply. We have a dual pump configuration that supports up to 1,000 horsepower on E85 and up to 1,300 on gasoline. The dual pump setup can always be upgraded later down the road if you Coyote owners want to grow up and stretch the legs of that glorious engine. We even have triple pump options available for those of you who have already done so and just want to go a little further. Capable of supporting anywhere from 1,600 horsepower up with E85 and 2,100 rear-wheel horsepower on gasoline. Here at Snow Performance, we also offer Coyote fuel rails, regulators, and all the lines that you need for your fuel system. Basically everything except for the injectors. We used anodized billet aluminum and stainless steel hardware for corrosion resistance when used with harsh fuels such as E85. To combat corrosion, we also used Viton chemical resistant O-rings for a lifetime of leak-free operation so that you can focus on what matters, going faster. Our pumps have been spec'd out to be the greatest intake pumps on the market. TI Automotive, also known as Walbro, is the leader in intake fuel pumps. These pumps meet or exceed OEM quality for years of trouble-free operation. Both the pumps we offer, the 274, which is the 450 liter per hour, and the 285, which is the 470 liter per hour, also known as the Hellcat pump, incorporate a dual pumping channel design that delivers maximum pressure with superior fuel flow. Operating in both gas and E85, these fuel pumps come with an internal check valve to avoid system leak down and shorten cranking at startup. This superior design results in improved hot fuel flow as well as minimal noise. The fuel passageways are integrated directly into the manifold, and they're bigger than the output of the pump so as to not cause any sort of restriction. With the passageways being integrated into the manifold of our fuel hat design, it allows for greater fuel flow than the convoluted tube design, as well as having the benefit of never deteriorating, getting stiff, or cracking. The manifold design eliminates the need for convoluted tubes and those dumb hose clamps that everyone thinks is a pain to deal with. Not only do the ribs on top of our hats look good, but they help increase the strength of the hat without adding any unnecessary weight. With these pumps, the weight that the hat must support is quite a bit. These ribs help to support the leverage the pump induce during a hard launch off the line or intense cornering. We advise purchasing our wiring kit as well as our triple pump relay module along with the hat assembly. This kit, along with the triple pump relay module, were engineered and designed specifically to handle the current draw from this multi-pump fuel hat. For street-driven vehicles, the multi-pump design must be operated in a staged configuration. This means running one fuel pump 100% of the time, which is going to be your 274, and activating the second or third only when needed. We supply a boost-activated switch in our wiring kit that will provide the signal for the triple pump relay module to activate the secondary pumps. Overall, our fuel hats eliminate any pressurized fuel being delivered via plastic convoluted tubes and worm gear hose clamps. There are no hose clamps used to mount the fuel pumps to the manifold. Our fuel hats incorporate Viton O-rings that seal the manifold to the pump directly. Our triple pump saddle supports the fuel pumps and acts as a heat sink to dissipate heat from the pump, extending the life of the pump. Our fuel hats retain factory jet siphon pump operation if your vehicle is equipped with a saddle style tank. We have also included a locating tab to allow for easy orientation of the hat when it's inside the fuel tank. Our fuel hats are meticulously designed with every detail in mind. You can pull them straight out of the box and install them with no assembly or modification to the factory fuel tank required. They maintain factory functions such as the evap system, saddle tank fuel transfer operation, and we have custom brackets to attach the factory fuel level sending unit to. The fuel return is also discharged below the fuel to keep fuel aeration at a bare minimum. If you have a high horsepower Coyote engine, You need a fuel system to feed that beast. And with all of this being said, why not go with the best available, Snow Performance? With customer and tech support available from Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., we'll be able to help you during your race car journey every step of the way. If you have any questions, give us a call at 888-GO-FAST-1 or visit us at www.snowperformance.net. As always, thank y'all for watching, and I will see you next time.